Can Facebook ads be scams? What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to be talking about a topic that's important for everyone to know. Can Facebook ads be scams? Facebook ads are a great way to reach a large audience and grow your business. But like any other form of advertising, there's always the risk of being scammed. In this video, I'm going to share with you some tips on how to spot Facebook ad scams so that you can protect yourself and your money. So, how can you spot a Facebook ad scam? Here are a few things to look out for. The ad is too good to be true. If an ad is offering something that seems too good to be true, it probably is. For example, if an ad is promising you a free iPhone for just $1, it's definitely a scam. The ad is poorly written. Scammers often make typos and grammatical errors in their ads. This is a red flag that the ad is not legitimate. The ad asks for personal information. Legitimate businesses will never ask for your personal information, such as your credit card number or social security number, in an ad. If an ad asks for this information, it's a scam. The ad redirects you to a third-party website. Scammers often use third-party websites to collect your personal information and money. If you click on an ad and it redirects you to a website that you're not familiar with, it's probably a scam. By following these tips, you can protect yourself from Facebook ad scams. But it's also important to be aware of the risks involved in any form of online advertising. If you're not sure whether an ad is legitimate, it's always best to err on the side of caution and avoid clicking on it. If you have any questions about Facebook ad scams, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips on online marketing and business growth. If you want hands-on help with your social media content and strategy, reach out to our team at Amplify Social Media and schedule a call. We would love to help. Thanks for watching. Are AI tools becoming too powerful? Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's on everyone's mind. Are AI tools becoming too powerful? AI is rapidly becoming more sophisticated, and it's being used in a wide variety of applications, from self-driving cars to medical diagnosis. But as AI becomes more powerful, there's a growing concern that it could eventually become too powerful for us to control. In this video, I'm going to explore the pros and cons of AI, and I'll discuss the risks and potential dangers of AI becoming too powerful. So, are AI tools becoming too powerful? There are certainly some reasons to be concerned. For example, AI tools are already being used to create deep fakes, which are videos or audio recordings that have been manipulated to make it look or sound like someone is saying or doing something they never said or did. Deepfakes could be used to spread misinformation or propaganda, or to damage someone's reputation. AI tools are also being used to develop autonomous weapons systems, which could operate without human input. This raises the possibility of AI being used to wage war without human intervention, which could have catastrophic consequences. However, there are also some reasons to be optimistic about AI. AI has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, such as climate change and poverty. AI could also be used to improve our healthcare system, education system, and transportation system. Ultimately, whether or not AI tools become too powerful is up to us. We need to be careful about how we develop and use AI, and we need to put in place safeguards to prevent AI from being used for malicious purposes. AI is a powerful technology, and it's important to be aware of the potential risks and dangers. But AI also has the potential to do a lot of good in the world. We need to use AI responsibly and ethically, and we need to put in place safeguards to prevent AI from being used for malicious purposes. If you want hands-on help with your social media content and strategy, reach out to our team at Amplify Social Media and schedule a call. We would love to help. Thanks for watching.